Hello designers, in this video, we're going to generate a rain effect. Let's begin by creating a new solid for the background. Select any color you prefer. Next, use the text tool to write your desired text. I'll write rain here. Align the text within the composition. Increase its font size and adjust the color to your preference. After making the adjustments, now, with the text layer selected, I'll navigate to Effects and Presets, search for CC Drizzle, and apply it to the text layer, setting the drop rate to 2. Next, let's create an adjustment layer by going to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Then, in Effects and Presets, I'll search for CC Rainfall and apply it to the adjustment layer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.